Welcome to Vintage Speed. You're here looking at this video because you've either purchased the Vintage Speed Sebring exhaust or you're looking to buy one. Now, the main point is the original Sebring was characterized by its loudness and racing orientation. So with this in mind, we've come up with our version, a redesign, but a more refined Sebring, so it is not as loud. And if you need, we have a Sebring insert that can be purchased separately. Now, right now, my colleague here, he's going to install the Sebring. This is a 38mm Sebring for the VW Bug or Karmann Kia. And he will install it for you step by step. So please, William, install the exhaust by attaching all the proper parts onto it with the bolts secured but not fastened, so you have a bit of play to make sure everything fits on properly. So the last part is, all right, so that is done. Now the last step would be to fasten each of these bolts with a wrench or equipment you have on hand. And so we have made the Sebring for the Karmann Kia, the Bug for the Porsche replicas. So if you have any questions, definitely DM us if this was anything unclear. definitely let us know. Thank you for watching.